What's that over there? Over by Mrs. Snowman.
What hanging?
Getting warmer. Look to your right.
Uh-oh.
Nope.
What?
That's not it. There's nothing in there. What do you see hanging on by the stairs? Come back this way. There, look. In your stocking. Bring that over here.
You're just gonna need
Aha! I told you. Mama, hat. I see.
Wow.
What kind of egg?
What's on that egg? Is it a dinosaur egg?
Yeah.
Wow.
Honey.
Let me help you. Okay, wait, let me help you. Wow.
A new hole.
Good job.
I want to go to the wrapper paper.